Hello everyone. eCommerce SEO Suite advanced app will allow the user to make the product search engine optimized. After installing this module, let's get into the inventory. Here under the products, you can see the product. This product is available in the website. Now let's get into the sales, and here I have added an extra media where I have added the image, video URL, alternative text as well as the image descriptions right away here. Now, like the same way, let's get into the website. So here under the website, you can see an option for an e-commerce category. Let's get into that. And this is one of the category that I have created for chairs. And here you can see the redirect URL, alternative text, and also the image descriptions that I have added for each and every categories. Now, let's get into the website page and see how it actually works. So here in this website page, let's get into the shop. So here you can see the category. Let's get into that, and here we can inspect the one which we have created. And here in this tab you can see the alternative text that we have added for category. So now let's search here. Now after search you can see that the alternative text will be available here, and like the same way you can see the image descriptions directly here in this form page of the website. So here in this product page, you can see in the media, we have added the alternative text. So let's copy the text, and here let's inspect. So from here, you can see that the alternative text will be added here. Like the same way, you can see the image description as well. So here you can see the image description is also there in this SEO content. In this way, we can make use of this module to allow the user to make the product search engine optimized. If you have any queries regarding this video, you can ask in the comment box. We will definitely solve your queries. And if you feel this video is helpful to you, you can like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for more Odoo related updates. Thanks for watching.